I was really surprised, excited, and very happy to have been invited to the Parliament in London for receiving an award at the Naya Bharat Mahotsav there. When we reached London on the 8th, it was the day of the Queen's demise. So we all decided, the participants there, that we will not go into any celebrations but solemnly accept our awards with a condolence meeting for the Queen and some meditation for her soul. I was really happy to meet the network of true global inspirational Indian leaders there, each one doing so much for the country and for the globe. My own journey as a transformation coach, inspirational and motivational coach started in 2019, and I accelerated my work during the pandemic when I wrote my book Change Your Story Today. I also translated it into Hindi as Badal Do Apni Kahani Aaj for the benefit of the Indian youth and women who I love with all my heart. All the candidates at the Naya Bharat Mahotsav were amazing people. I learned so much from them, and I thank the universe that I could be among them and also receive my award from Padam Shri Kalpana Saroj, which was an honor in its own. I'm very happy that I could connect to all these wonderful Indians, and I'm feeling very proud as a Bharatiya. And Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. God bless everybody. I'm your Dilliwalinani and your coach Shruti Dutt signing off with lots of love and prayers for all of you to stay undefeated always.